Hey guys, so in case you didn't know, I'm natural under all of this. I've been natural for about 8 years now. 8 years. I've been taking care of my hair, but haven't been like really big on taking care of my hair. If you go back to like some of my previous videos, you can see like my natural, my curly hair. But recently I've been wearing a sew-in. So today is going to be a video on me taking out my sew-in and just like looking at the state of my natural hair. And I kept it in for a little too long because I got comfortable with it. I guess I was kind of spoiled with like, just being able to wrap my hair and then go to bed or wake up and just like brush out my hair and my hair be done already. So yeah, so I kept it in for about, I got my hair done in October, the end of October, and it is now January 12th. So I kept my hair in for basically like almost 4 months, and that's a long time for a sew-in. So I decided to do this video because when I used to get sew-ins, like way back when, before I went natural, I kept my sew-in in for a long time, probably like 5 months. And when I took my hair out, my natural hair was like completely broken off. My hairdresser said, well, you're not supposed to keep it in that long. My mistake was keeping my hair in for months, and my dumbass did it again because I didn't feel like actually doing my hair. And I kind of do like, having inches, so I was like, all right. But now, as you can see, my hair is literally completely done. Like, it was raining outside. I just got back from work and it was raining all day, so my hair is not even blended in with my weave. So yeah, it's about time to take this shit out. I pray to God that my hair is still healthy. But lately I've been taking like too many risks on my hair. Like, I have leave out. This is my leave out. So I have been straightening my hair. I've been using a hot comb and I've been using a straightener, but I don't do it every day. I always wrap my hair, so probably like once a week or once every week and a half. So I haven't been straightening my hair every day. So with any luck, my hair is still as healthy as it was when I put this in there. So anyway, this is Eunice's hair, and I have 3 bundles in. I think one is an 18, 20, and a 22 inch. So yeah. All right, so now I'm gonna get to the actual video. After me keeping my hair in for 4 months, then alright guys, so if you're going to take out your weave by yourself, you have to be really careful because you have to use something sharp like scissors or a blade or something, so just take your time and be very careful when you're taking it out. As you can see, like I said, this is 4-month-old sew-in. So like my hair is like, of course it's grown out. I decided to do this a different way because it just was not working sitting on the couch because I can't see. So I decided to go inside the bathroom where there's like a huge mirror so I can like, see what I'm doing, because I'm not trying to cut my hair off. You have been in the 4 months, bitch. That's the end of August. I mean, not August, October.
Are you serious? You haven't been that long.
I know. Bro, my hair is dirty. You better not touch it.
Are you video recording?
Yeah. Oh shit, it's still on.
They got me all in your life. Or I can do this skirt with this shirt.
No, bitch.
Why not?
That don't even match.
It ain't gonna match.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. No, where's the other one? It took me forever to take this one out. Oh, God. This is the part I hate about wearing weave.
Dang, you ain't see your hair since October.
I ain't seen my hair since October, bitch. Like, I feel like my hair is deprived.
Yeah.
Show your makeup, girlfriend. Come closer.
Oh my gosh.
I would, but I got one eyelash on.
Guys, shouldn't she start a YouTube channel? Like, comment below and tell me if you think she should start a YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys, so I took out the weave and I took out the braids. So now I'm just gonna like feather the hair and like, you know, like finger comb the hair to see like how much hair comes out. I know there's gonna be like some hair because, yeah, I had it in for such a long time, so. I'm definitely going to have to clip my ends because my ends are like definitely a little split. I think the braiding pattern that my friend did in my hair protected my hair a lot. Let me show you guys all the hair that I got out of my head. By the way, I know it looks like a whole lot of hair, but keep in mind that I had my sew-in in for 4 months, and knowing how much hair we lose a day, you know, this is like 4 months of hair that couldn't get combed out of my hair each day. You know what I mean? So that's really not that much. And this is all from like finger combing and combing it with my wide tooth comb. All right, so here you see my hair straight out of the sew-in, straight out of the braids. I just combed it out a little bit, and I'm going to prepare to give myself a deep condition and wash my hair. So first I'll take the coconut oil and just take a little bit of it. By the way, this is organic coconut oil. Coconut oil is a great product to use for your hair because it stimulates hair growth if you get it deep into the follicles, and makes your hair grow healthier, longer, and stronger, and it does it fast. Coconut oil promotes scalp health, fighting against problems like insect bites, lice, dandruff. It moisturizes your dry hair. It adds luster and shine and softness to your hair, and it prevents hair breakage and split ends. It also slows down hair loss. In my opinion, using raw organic coconut oil is literally the best decision you can make for your hair. After I made sure the coconut oil was all through my hair, I put a plastic bag over my head and made sure all the air was sucked out of it. This helps for the coconut oil to penetrate through your hair. If you put like a plastic something on it, you can use a shower cap. I just used a plastic bag because that's what a bitch had. Alright guys, so I wet my hair a little bit. I let the coconut oil sit in my hair for about 30 minutes, and then I just took the bag off my head and wet my hair a little bit. The coconut oil is still in there, but now is like the next step to deep conditioning. This Aussie moisturizing deep conditioner, and it says you only have to leave it in for 3 minutes, but I'm gonna leave it in for about like 10 to 15 minutes. Now this smells so good, and it works really good too. Like, it really leaves my hair moisturized. Okay, so right now I am about to take a shower and wash my hair, but just wanted to show you guys my hair like after my deep condition. It feels a lot softer. So yeah, it's still in my hair right now. So obviously this is the part that has been straightened. It's stretched more than the braided parts, but hopefully it curls when I wash it. So yeah, let's get started. Since I haven't really detangled much, I'm going to take my hair section by section, obviously starting from the ends of my hair and then working my way up to the roots. I'm going to use my wide tooth comb and As you can see, it's really like detangling pretty easily. It's important to hold the top of your hair and comb from the bottom to the top so it can reduce the shedding of your hair. After I lather the conditioner in my hair, you can see me detangling my hair with my fingers. This is the best way to detangle your hair because it reduces unnecessary shedding. Here's a close-up of my hair after my final detangle, and as you can see, there are a few pieces all the way in the back that are like completely straight. Oh my god. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking after I deep conditioned it, washed it, and conditioned it again. So right now there's like nothing in my hair. Yeah. So as you can see, my curls are still there. It's just the parts that I straightened, like my leave out, the curls are way looser. Cause, you know, my curls are very tight like this. They normally all look like this. But these have like literally like fallen. But it's not too bad, like it's still curled, because you know some people, they straighten their hair and it can't curl, like it'll stay straight, like their ends would be straight like this, and I'm so happy that mines are not like that. But it's pretty easy to revert your hair back. I'm just not going to use heat anymore, you know, for a while. But yeah, this will kind of like be like a good wash and go or something. Like I'll just put some more like conditioner in there, like some curly conditioner and some mousse, and I can go like this. But I'm actually going to make another video of me styling my hair for you guys. So this is the outcome of my hair, which I mean, it's soft as hell. I still obviously have my edges, so that's good. Oop. And my curls are still pretty much intact, so I don't know, I'm happy. So I would say that I do think it's possible for a sew-in to break off your hair, but in my case, I mean, I had it in for a long time and it certainly could have broken off my hair, but I think that the braiding pattern really like protected my hair. So I'm not sure, because I really didn't put any oil in my roots, or I mean, I did condition my hair before my roommate braided it and put the sew-in in, but other than that, like I've just been trying to like be attentive to like the leave out. So okay guys, so I did my makeup. It's really natural today because I'm just gonna go to dinner with my friend and run some errands. But yeah, so this is my hair. After I washed my hair and like showered and everything, I didn't put anything else in my hair. I basically just let it air dry. Just wanted my hair to be completely dry for when I walked outside, because it is cold as shit out there. So yeah, this is like my natural makeup look. No lashes, no mascara, no eyeliner. However, I might put on some mascara. There are some parts of my hair that feel like a little less thick, and obviously these really long parts that are hanging down, the curl pattern has definitely changed. But you know, of course, that's my leave out and I've been straightening it. So heat does damage your hair, kids. So if you're using heat, just know that you can damage, and you probably will damage your hair. And it's okay, because you know, I didn't use heat every single day, so my curl pattern will revert back to normal, because as you can see, it's not completely, you know, messed up. It's still there. It's just really loose curls, which I'm not used to, and it sucks a little bit, but you know, it could be worse, and I knew the risk. So next time I'm getting me a frontal. I'm not dealing with my hair, and I'm gonna protect it. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Keep an eye out for my next video, because I will be showing you guys how I'm styling my hair for the week. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. I will link them below, and follow me on YouTube, like this video, and comment. Mwah.